Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to send files Microsoft Teams on computer. So how to send files Microsoft Teams on computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go straight to Microsoft Teams on your computer or laptop. And this is the initial display on Microsoft Teams. To send files, just direct the cursor to the left of the screen. Here there is a menu with several menu options. Tap the Chat menu here. Then tap the New Chat menu here. Enter the destination account here. To send files, direct the cursor to the lower left corner and tap this icon. Then tap Upload from this device. Now your computer's Windows folder will automatically appear. Select the files you want to send. You can see these are the files you want to send. Then tap the send icon in the lower right corner. So that's it, tutorial how to send files Microsoft Teams on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.